Hello everyone. Welcome back to Confused Engineers Odyssey. I hope you're doing great. In our previous videos, we learned CSS basics and the CSS box model. Today, we'll explore CSS Level 3, covering CSS units, positioning, z-index, and background properties. These concepts help you build responsive, attractive, and professional websites. By the end of this lesson, you'll know where and why to use each property. Let's begin. This chapter has 3 sections. First, we'll learn CSS units. Next, we'll understand positioning. Finally, we'll explore background properties. Together, these topics form the foundation of responsive web design. CSS units are divided into relative units and absolute units. Relative units change according to the screen size or parent element, making them ideal for responsive layouts. Absolute units have fixed values and are useful when exact measurements are required. Modern developers usually prefer relative units because they adapt better across desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Among relative units, percentage size is an element relative to its parent. The M unit depends on the font size of its parent element. The rem unit depends on the root HTML element, making it consistent throughout the website. That's why rem is widely recommended for fonts and spacing. Viewport units are also very useful. The VH unit represents viewport height, where 100 VH equals the visible browser height. The VW unit represents viewport width, where 100 VW equals the visible browser width. These units are perfect for hero sections, landing pages, banners, and responsive designs. Now let's discuss positioning. Static is the default position. Relative moves an element while keeping its original space. Absolute positions an element relative to its nearest positioned ancestor. Fixed keeps an element visible even while scrolling, making it ideal for navigation bars and floating buttons. Sticky behaves like relative until a specified scroll point, then sticks in place. When elements overlap, the z-index property controls which one appears on top. A higher z-index places an element above lower ones. Remember, z-index works only on positioned elements. It is commonly used for menus, pop-ups, dialogues, tooltips, and overlays. Background properties improve the appearance of a web page. Background image adds an image behind an element. Background size controls how it fits using values like cover and contain. Background repeat decides whether the image repeats, while background position controls where it appears. Together, these properties help create modern and visually appealing websites. That brings us to the end of this chapter. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Confused_Engineers_Odyssey. Turn on the notification bell for more web development tutorials. Keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video.